Hello and welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to make this cane. These are some of the earrings I made from the cane. These are your supplies. Let's do it. You'll need some scrap clay. Use whatever color scheme you wish. I have some greens and blues, yellow, a little bit of black. You can chop it up into whatever size pieces you would like. Once you're done chopping it up, separate any pieces that might be stuck together, and then mix it up so that you don't have large chunks of one color stuck together. Once you have it all separated and mixed together, begin forming it into a tube shape. Begin pressing it together. Begin rolling it to press all the pieces together and work out any air bubbles. Cut it into 3 equal sections. Each section will be a different size. Roll out the first section until it is about this thick. Roll out the second section until it is about this thick. And the third section should be about this thick. You'll want to choose 2 colors to wrap it in, one lighter color and one darker color. If your scrap clay colors are dark like mine, you'll want to wrap it in a lighter color and then wrap it in a darker color. If your scrap clay colors are lighter, you'll want to wrap it in a darker color and then a lighter color. Roll out both of your colors of clay until they are about this thick. Chop off the ends from your rolled out clay. This is just to cut off all the little funky pieces on the end. Start cutting your clay up into equal length sections. Each rolled out section needs to be the same length when cut, even though they are all different thicknesses. Take one of your cut sections and place it on the rolled out piece of clay. And then cut it so it's the same width. Do the same with the other rolled out section of clay. Begin covering your chopped up sections with the rolled out clay. Connect the two ends together. And then gently roll to smooth out the seam. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's what I like about this technique. Roll up the rest of your pieces in the light colored clay. Do the same with all the pieces on the darker colored clay. I'll just show you one. If you find this tutorial useful, please hit that subscribe button. I do post videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Be sure to check back for more polymer clay ideas. Be sure to watch until the end. I do show you several of the pieces I have made from this cane. Complete with the rest of the sections. Once you've completed that, you're ready to go on to the next step. Roll out some black clay until it is this thin. You do want it to be thinner than the other rolled out clay. Make sure it's the same width as your other clay. The placement is not terribly important. You can space it however you'd like it to be. Be sure that each piece is completely covered in the black clay. Once you have completed that, begin forming it into a circular shape. Gently push in the top and the sides. Be sure to flip it over and do the other side. And this is what mine looks like when I'm done. I'll cut off a little section so you can see what the finished product looks like. And then I'll show you some of the earrings I made from this cane. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!